If you want to make just a quick selection, you can use the Lasso tool, which allows you to draw just a very quick freehand shape, and that can then be turned into a layer mask, and then file and save, and it'll save it as that form. If you want to add to this layer mask, what you can do is you can do a selection. So I'm adding in another selection, and I can right click inside of it, making sure that my layer is selected here, and go to fill. And since white reveals and black conceals, if I add white, then you see it's going to add on to that. So if I need to add in a little bit, I can always add on to my selection, right click, fill with white, or if I want to get rid of some of it, just right click, fill with black. And you see it erases it. And you'll see that changing on the side over here.